Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and while I was doing another video, I of course had the idea of doing this video because it's something that a lot of people don't understand and it is important to know. So, of course, today's technology, we take pictures, a lot of pictures, and a lot of them are ending up on the cloud or on Facebook. And one of the biggest mistakes that people have is they will put pictures on Facebook and then delete them. Or they'll send the pictures to the cloud, which is fine, but they will also delete them from everything else. The problem with this is twofold. One is, although chances are slim because there's redundancy and websites usually have multiple places where they have that information, a glitch can happen, and it happened in the past where people lost information, pictures, documents that were stored in the cloud because of a major problem with some servers. And of course, not having a copy, a local copy, means they're completely lost. The other thing, and this is one that I've actually seen a few times with some of my friends, they took pictures, they posted them on Facebook, they removed them from their phone, from their tablet. They don't have them on a PC or anywhere else because they think, well, I have Facebook and everything's there. And in particular, one of my friends, his Facebook account was hacked and was never able to get it back. Well, bye-bye pictures because there was no way to recover them. So do not have only one copy in a website or in the cloud of that information. It is important to have more than one copy of everything, not just in the cloud. Do keep copies on your devices. Use multiple cloud services if you have to. My pictures on my phone, they are, most of them, on at least 3 different places, and including most of the important pictures, I have also a copy on my computer. So it's almost impossible for me to lose all of that. So it's important to really, really be careful. Do not just rely on Facebook or on a cloud service in like Google Photos or OneDrive and only one. Rely on several services. So for example, my important pictures, I have copies on my PC. I have some copies on Facebook, some copies on my OneDrive, and probably on Google Photos also. So it's important to keep that in mind, that you need more than one place for these pictures, or you will, and there's a chance you could lose them eventually. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.